Good morning, class. Let us continue with Milka Singh's experience at various races that he had run in his life. Now we are going towards the most important part of this extract, that is Milka Singh's experience at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore, and where he had won the title of the Flying Sikh. This is the beginning of this paragraph. The national games that were held in New Delhi were held for 3 days, during which I set new records. So, in New Delhi at the national games, he created new records. In 100 meters, he finished in 10.4 seconds. In 200 meters, he finished to 20.8 seconds. 400 meters, 46.1 second, and 4 into 100 meter relay, 42.1 second. And 4 into 400 meter relay race is the team race where the team runs, not an individual player. So he and his team had set the record in 3 minutes 12.6 seconds. Okay. Soon after the national games, our team had received an invitation from the Pakistani government for the Indo-Pak sports meet. Now, we are getting into the most crucial part of this extract, where after the national games, Milka Singh had been invited in Pakistan for the Indo-Pak sports meet. It was the event. What an ironic twist of fate. What an ironic means full of contrast. Daiva Durvilas in Marathi. Twist is the turn and twist of fate, niyati, nasheeb, destiny. So he says, what an ironic twist of fate. Now this is something very ironic, something very contrasting in his life, and that is happening with this invitation. Now, why Milka Singh says so? Because he and his family were originally from Pakistan, today's Pakistan, but yesterday's, that is in the past, it was India, the United India, that is before independence and before the tragedy of partition of India into two countries, into two new nations, that is India and Pakistan. So that much we know, and in this short sentence, it's a very tragic sentence. What an ironic twist of fate. हे जे वाक्य आहे ते आपल्याला बरंच काही सांगून जाते. कशाबद्दल? भारतीय इतिहासाबद्दल. म्हणजे आपण 1947ला स्वतंत्र झालो, आणि आता आपण 15 ऑगस्टला वगैरे खूप आनंद साजरा करतो. पण तुम्हाला कदाचित हे माहीत नसेल की 15 ऑगस्ट 1947ला काय परिस्थिती होती. तर 15 ऑगस्ट 1947, ज्या दिवशी भारत स्वतंत्र झाला असं आपण मानतो, त्याच्या आदल्या दिवशी म्हणजे 14 ऑगस्ट तुम्हाला कदाचित माहीत असेल नसेल, 14 ऑगस्ट हा पाकिस्तानचा स्वातंत्र्य दिन. त्या दिवशी 14 आणि 15 ऑगस्टला एका मोठ्या राष्ट्राचे 2 राष्ट्र झाले, 2 तुकडे पडले, आणि तेव्हा भयानक रक्तपात होत होता. आणि मिल्खा सिंग हा जो माणूस आहे तो आणि त्याचं कुटुंब त्या रक्तपातामध्ये डायरेक्ट म्हणजे त्यांना त्याचा प्रत्यक्ष अनुभव आलेला आहे. हे पाकिस्तानातलं कुटुंब, शीख कुटुंब, यांना त्यांचा देश सोडून, त्यांची भूमी, त्यांचं घर सोडून भारतात यावं लागलं. तसंच कित्येक अनेक हिंदू आणि शीखांना पाकिस्तानातून भारतात यावं लागलं. आणि याची दुसरी बाजू अशी आहे की भारतात असणाऱ्या अनेक मुस्लिम कुटुंबांना, माणसांना त्यांचं घरदार त्यांची शेती, त्यांचा उद्योग हे सगळं सोडून धर्माच्या नावाखाली फक्त पाकिस्तानात जाऊन राहावं लागलं. पण ह्या सगळ्या प्रवासामध्ये लाखो लोक मारले गेले. तर ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ट्रॅजिक इन्सिडेंट. आणि परत एकदा आता मिल्खा सिंग यांना पाकिस्तानात जायचं होतं रेसमध्ये भाग घेण्यासाठी, एक धावपटू म्हणून. अँड दॅट्स वाय ही सेज, व्हॉट ॲन आयरॉनिक ट्विस्ट ऑफ फेट. I was returning to the land where I was born. So I was going again to the land where I was born. That was my land, where I had lost my home and most of my family. आणि तिथं जो रक्तपात झाला, in that bloodshed, he had lost his home, not only his home, but most of his family. So he says, I had lost many of my family members, many of my relatives in that bloodshed during that journey from Pakistan to India in the hope of a shelter, because it was a very difficult time that was of the partition. He says, where I had lost my home and most of my family in the inhuman savagery that followed partition. After the partition, there was this inhuman savagery, inhuman अमानवी, and savagery is barbarism, nirdayata, that followed partition. It was not the religious bigotry. Religious related to religion, and bigotry is partiality or fajil dharmabhiman, kadvepana, useless pride in one's religion and hatred for the other religions. स्वतःच्या धर्माविषयी अभिमान बाळगणे आणि इतरांच्या धर्माला तुच्छ लेखणे. It was not the religious bigotry that troubled me, but he says it was not the reason of my disturbance, just the fear that the visit would revive, call back, recall, परत आठवणी जाग्या होणे. The fear that the visit would revive those horrible memories. And he says, I was afraid that in case I go to Pakistan, I will remember all those horrible things that had been happened to my family during the partition. I did not want to go. And he says, I never wanted to go, but Pandit Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, intervened hastakshep karne, saying that this visit was for the honor of our country. And Pandit Nehru, Prime Minister Nehru, convinced Milkha Singh that he must go for the honor of the country, because to participate in the sports event in another country is a matter of pride, is a matter of honor, is a matter of love for one's own country. And that I was going there as an ambassador for India. Ambassador, it is the representative of a nation. Rajdut असं त्याला आपण मराठीत म्हणतो. So he says, I was going to, Nehru told me that you are going as a representative for our nation, that is India. The others in our team felt as I did. And he says, not only myself, but other team members also felt like this. As we reluctantly, unwillingly, nakhushine. So, as a result, we were not willing, and yet we had to travel to the border of Attari via Amritsar. And Attari is the border between India and Pakistan. And he says, from Amritsar we went to Attari, though unwillingly. The welcoming committee at the border greeted us. The welcoming committee was there to greet the team, Indian team, as warmly, lovingly, and then we were taken by bus to the Falatis Hotel in Lahore. So they were taken, this team, Indian team of the athletes were taken to Lahore, an important hotel, famous hotel in Lahore, that is Falatis Hotel. Days before the meet opened, headlines in newspapers as well as banners and posters carried large print notices that said, and like as it's the same case with India and Pakistan, we celebrate many events, we express ourselves with the help of banners and posters, and there were also at that time also there were many posters, and on the big banners and posters there were the words Indo-Pak athlete duel Spardha. Duel, that is the competition between two sportsmen here. Indo-Pak athlete duel Abdul Khalik to meet Milkha Singh. So Abdul Khalik is the great Pakistani athlete runner, like the Indian side Milkha Singh. The meet was declared open by the President of Pakistan, General Ayub Khan. At that time, the President of Pakistan was a military general, Ayub Khan, and he inaugurated the meet at the newly constructed Gaddafi Stadium. Gaddafi Stadium is the name of the stadium in Lahore, and this race took place at the Gaddafi Stadium, and who was the chief guest for the inauguration ceremony? Then President of Pakistan, General Ayub Khan. There were more than 30,000 spectators, Prikshak. There were more than 30,000 spectators in the men's enclosure. Enclosure area with a boundary set around that. As we know that in Pakistan there is the separate sections for women and men to sit in the stadium at that time. In the men's enclosure, in the area restricted for men, and several thousand more of burqa clad ladies in the women's, and women wearing burqa, they were sitting in the women's area. The general, that is President Ayub Khan, other senior officials and their families sat comfortably in the presidential box, and there is a special presidential box for General Ayub Khan and other senior officers. At this event, I was once again pitted against me, set in competition. प्रतिस्पर्ध्यासमोर उभे टाकणे. At this event, I was once again pitted against my old opponent Abdul Khalik. So again, his race is with his competition is with his old rival, Pratispardi opponent Abdul Khalik, that is the Pakistani runner, athlete, whom I had defeated at the Tokyo Games. But the plus point with Milkha Singh was that he had defeated Abdul Khalik at the Tokyo Games before. Consequently, as a result of something, the huge, prachanda, the massive crowd's excitement, the crowd was very excited. They were very enthusiastic to see, as we know that when India and Pakistan, they are playing, say in cricket or in hockey, both the nations think as if it's a war, and both the sides are very, very excited. So same was the case with this sports meet, that is two athletes, they were standing in front of, opposite to one another at this race. The massive crowd's excitement levels were high as they eagerly waited for the moment when their hero would defeat me. So Pakistani people, they were excited and to see that their hero Abdul Khalik would defeat the Indian athlete Milkha Singh. In this meet too, the pattern of our victories were the same as at Tokyo. But there was a pattern of victories, as in Tokyo, Japan. Khalik won the 100 meters. So it's a series of races. So first in Tokyo also, Khalik and in Pakistan also, at the Gaddafi Stadium also, Khalik won the 100 meter and I the 400 meter race. Milkha Singh had won 400 meter race. Then the deciding race would be the 200 meter one. So the final winner will be declared only after the 200 meter race would happen. My teammates reassured me. My teammates comforted me, convinced me, assured me by saying that Milkha Singh's friends, teammates, they told him that there was no way that I could lose. And they were trying to boost his confidence. And they were saying that you cannot lose because my technique was too finely honed, sharpened. घासून पुसून स्वच्छ करणे, इथं टोकदार बनवणे, that is finishing. So he says your techniques are very good. His teammates were telling him that you are very fine technically and my timing was much better than the one at Tokyo. And he says, and the teammates were also telling him that your timing was very good, was better than in Tokyo. But as usual on the day of the race, but still he was very nervous. As usual, now this nervousness it comes to each and every person at the time of something important going on, and particularly when a great sports person is there, the nation expects very high from him. The expectations of the nation are very high, the people are very high, and that makes the sports person tense. But as usual on the day of the race, I woke up feeling feverish, ताप वाटणे. I woke up feeling feverish and bilious. Bilious is feeling like nausea or vomiting, murmur करणे. I woke up feeling feverish and bilious. So because of his nervousness, he was feeling that he had a slight fever or he was feeling like vomiting. I was shivering, shake lightly, थोडंसं कापणे, थरथर कापणे. I was shivering either because I was unwell or by memories of those terrible days. Unwell, sick. He says maybe I was sick and that's why I was shaking, or maybe I was having in my mind the memories of that partition, terrible days, and that still haunted me. हॉन्टेड, पाठलाग करणे, टू चेज, एखादी झपाटणे, एखादी भयानक गोष्ट जेव्हा आपल्याला वारंवार आठवते, दॅट इज नोन ॲज द हॉन्टिंग. स्टील हॉन्टेड मी. सो द टेरिबल मेमरीज ऑफ द पार्टिशन स्टील हॉन्टेड मिल्खा सिंग अँड दॅट्स वाय ही वॉज फीलिंग व्हेरी व्हेरी नर्वस. इन्स्टेड ऑफ सकम, टू गिव्ह इन, टू यील्ड, शरण जाणे, एखाद्या गोष्टीच्या दबावाला बळी पडणे. इन्स्टेड ऑफ सकम्बिंग और फीलिंग सॉरी फॉर माय सेल्फ, but still he says he was a sportsman and he forced himself to get up. Still I got up and go to the stadium and I became ready to face the race, to face the opponent, the Pakistani athlete Abdul Khalik, in their own land, that is the Pakistan. As I said to myself over and over again, I had to win because a defeat in Pakistan would be a fate worse than death. And he says, I convinced myself that I had to win this race because in case I get defeat, पराभव. कारण की मिल्खा सिंग असं म्हणतात की त्यांना माहीत होतं जर पाकिस्तानमध्ये पराभव झाला तर तो मरणापेक्षा सुद्धा भयानक असेल. बिकॉज इंडियन्स कुड नॉट टॉलरेट देअर टीम ऑर देअर स्पोर्ट्समेन गेटिंग डिफिटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पाकिस्तानी टीम. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे कसं असतं की आपण वर्ल्ड कप हरला तरी चालतो, फक्त त्या वर्ल्ड कपमध्ये आपल्याला इंडियाच्या टीमनी पाकिस्तानला हरवलेलं बघायचं असतं. सो this was the case. That is, I knew, Milkha Singh says, I knew in case I get defeated in Pakistan, it would be worse than death. So that's how he prepared himself for this race, the final 200-meter race at Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore, and there was his rival was Abdul Khalik. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Good morning, class. Let us continue with Milka Singh's experience at various races that he had run in his life. Now we are going towards the most important part of this extract, that is Milka Singh's experience at the Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore, and where he had won the title of the Flying Sikh. This is the beginning of this paragraph. The national games that were held in New Delhi were held for 3 days, during which I set new records. So, in New Delhi at the national games, he created new records. In 100 meters, he finished in 10.4 seconds. In 200 meters, he finished to 20.8 seconds. 400 meters, 46.1 second, and 4 into 100 meter relay, 42.1 second. And 4 into 400 meter relay race is the team race where the team runs, not an individual player. So he and his team had set the record in 3 minutes 12.6 seconds. Okay,